Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the Daily Quordle. 4 wordles to solve as quickly as we can, and I'm starting with Inert Chaos as always, my go-to set of 10 letters. Sometimes it works better than others. It's not helped me a whole lot today. The bottom row, we've only got 2 correct letters in each. That doesn't narrow things down a bit, because they're really common letters. Top right, it's going to be S-H-A blank E, but then that could be shade or shave or shake or shame or shape or shale. And possibly something else I missed, so we might well end up in a hard mode trap there. So I think the top left is the only useful one. The O being fourth is pretty uncommon. Let's hope it's not a decoy. Decoy is indeed correct, as I thought it might be. That means it's not shade in the top right, but that hasn't helped us a whole lot more anywhere else. I think let's try vague, because there's a small chance it's correct in the top left, the bottom left, sorry. But even if it's not, it tests a few new letters, including the remaining vowel, and it will also tell us if it's shave in the top right. It is not. At least we've got the AE in correct positions in the bottom left, and we did get the U in the bottom right. I mean, I suppose that's not that unexpected, because it was the only remaining vowel, and we probably were going to need another one. But it's still nice to get confirmation. Let's try bluer. Again, we'll test 2 new letters and new positions for all of the other letters. Okay, we've got the L in the bottom left, we've got the ER in the bottom right, but not a whole lot else. This is a bit difficult so far, because I'm not really making progress on a lot of these. What is that bottom right going to be? We could have a duplicated R, but it can't be ruler or ruder. I can't see how the U could be first. Purer is an option. I suppose I need to try that, because again it does test for P, which might be useful. It is correct. We don't have the P in the top right, but we do have the P in the bottom left, which is interesting. So that's going to be maple, I think. It is. The top right now isn't shame or shape or shave. So I think it's going to have to be shake. Wow, that was a tricky one. We ruled out all the options in that top right one by one whilst we were doing the other puzzles, which really helped. But there were so many options for some of those, I'm relieved that I didn't fall into an even bigger hard mode trap. If you want to see a more difficult puzzle, check back next Monday when I will be attempting this weekly challenge. For now, thank you for watching, and goodbye.